Hi everybody, this is my cat Bean. He's a little terrorist. He always chases the other ones around and jumps on them and stuff. Not very nice, Beanie. Not very nice. One time he got outside and got into a fight with some other cat. He came back with a big old scratch on his face. And within like 2 days, that scratch was swollen up to the size of like a fucking walnut. Like, he had to go get surgery. I don't think you can see it anymore, but he's got a big old scar on the side of his face. But well, not all my cats, but most of my cats are like super chill, and they like being handled however you want. He doesn't really care as long as he's getting attention. Albert, here. Yeah, let me switch cats. This is the best one by far. This is Albert. Yeah, fuck you, Beanie. Hi, buddy. Don't sit on Beanie. Beanie, you're in the way of the light. Yes, I know, buddy. Albert loves to bump heads with people. Climb right up on your lap and stick his face. Ow! That's my nose ring, buddy. I know. I know what you want to do. Let me lean back a little bit. You can climb up on top of me. Huh? Is that what you want, buddy? You want to climb up me like a little tree? He's got to be right in your face. Look at him. Albert has many nicknames. Sometimes we call him Alboat or Big Boat, Fat Ass, Fat Fuck, Fat Rump. Sometimes I call him Albortion, but my wife doesn't like it when I do that. So I don't frequently call him Albortion. But he likes it. Isn't that right? Isn't that right? Hmm? Hmm? Sometimes we call him shit ass too. I don't really know what causes it yet. I think sometimes he gets into the garbage and eats things, and then he gets diarrhea, and his ass is covered in shit sometimes. Hmm? Is that true, little shit ass? Hmm? Hmm? Beanie, there was a light there. It's lighting my video. Oh, look at all my friends, huh? Look at all my friends. I got two more. I got two more cats that are off frame right now. One of them's just right there, just out of frame. She's a bit shy though. She's not terribly likely to come over here and interact with the other cats. And the other one lives in the bathroom. She's, I don't know, we gotta figure out something with her. She doesn't like the other cats very much, so she like hides in there frequently just to stay away from them. And then they like to go in there and whoop her ass just for fun. I don't really know. It did. Okay, cool. Thought I had two different audio devices going. It's gonna sound like shit, but not. It's not the case. How long? Oh, we've only been doing this for 5 minutes. No, we got to get at least 30 minutes of just petting my cats. That's gonna be the video. We're gonna do weekly cat petting updates. Albert's really fun because he likes you like He likes getting his watch. See, I'll pick his leg right up for you and roll up on his back. He likes it when you play with his pudge. But he hates it when you play with his toes. Hi, buddy. Hmm? Hi, buddy. Hmm? You like when I spank your pudge, buddy? Huh? Look at that. Look at all this pudge. Look at all this pudge. Bene, hey, you be civil. This guy's a little psycho. I give him a good belly rub. Look at him. Oh. Bene, no. Stop it. You're gonna start a fight on my lap. It's terrifying. Sometimes Albert likes to sleep like right on your chest when you're sleeping, and Beanie will just sneak up on him and jump him out of nowhere, and they'll get into a little cat fight right on top of me while I'm trying to sleep. Little monsters. Sorry, I'm sick right now, so I might fall asleep. If we fall asleep, we might get like a 3-hour video of me hanging out with my cats. Yeah, I think I got food poisoning or something. I just shit my brains out at Walmart earlier. I feel bad for the guy in the stall next to me. That was some fucking nasty shit sound effects, dude. Felt like I was pouring a bottle of water on my asshole. Sometimes he doesn't notice that you're playing with his toes at first, but oh, there you go. See, he's not happy with me. Oh, he's being real chill about it today. We've been like conditioning him to try to get him to like be okay with getting his toes played with. And it looks like it's been going pretty well. Because he used to sit there and growl at you when you play with his toes, but now he's chilling way out. But sometimes, depending on which toes you play with, he... Oh, he's good at the front toes too. Albert, this is such progress. You won the weird ones with the extra foot, extra toe. I don't think he's got an extra toe. Hey, Beanie, let's try and get you up here in the shot somewhere, okay? Set you up here? That works? Yeah, that works. Hi, buddy. Not exactly sure where I put my cat. There it is. I thought I lost my computer mouse into blank keys, but we're good. We're good for sure. Might run out of things to talk about, but I definitely promised like 4 minutes or whatever, 30 minutes of chilling with my cats. So put on some what color light to go with. Oh, see the violence is gonna begin. You heard Albert growling? Beanie's invading space. It's weird because I always think that looks like chill behavior, but Albert can tell. Albert can definitely tell when Beanie's about to fuck up his day. Hi, Beanie. Albert, be calm, buddy. Beanie's not even whooping up on you right now. You're a bad little man, you know that? He shouldn't be scared just to sit next to you. I thought getting your balls chopped off would fix this shit. Hmm? Hmm? You need to chop off your dick too? Bastard. Beanie, I'm trying to make a show here, and you're sitting right in the shadow of Albert. You're making my whole program look like shit. What do you have to say for yourself, Beanie? He's not being very talkative today. Oop. Maybe on episode 2 I'll go grab Mavis from the bathroom. She's usually pretty anxious if you take her away from the one place she likes to sit, but she's also pretty chill if you pet her the whole time. Whenever you go and take a shit, she like walks over and climbs on your lap and like begs for attention because she spends all her time hiding in the bathroom. So she only really ever gets pets when you're shitting. So, trying to think of a solution for her. Maybe I'll make her like a special bean-proof box that has her own litter box and food and water bowl and a door on it next to the bed so she can climb out and sit on our lap, but otherwise be kind of like crated. Which seems cruel, but she basically like crates herself. Like, or maybe she just needs her own room. Like, there's a walk-in closet over there that needs to be cleaned out, and maybe she can like chill in there. Yeah. Toes? Toes? Can I play with your toes, boat? Hmm? My big booty boat? Fun fact about Beanie. We named him Bean as like a placeholder name because my wife and I kept fighting about, not fighting, but like bickering about what name we wanted to give him. She always wants to give him like people names like Albert and Mavis. And I always think a cat's name should be something like Cheeto or Parliament. Something stupid like that. How you doing, Beanie? Hey, buddy. You got some crud in your eye? No, let me get the crud. Don't bite me. There we go. No more crud. Now you don't look like shit anymore. Hmm? No self-respect. Walking around all the time looking like shit. Where would you be without me? Hmm? Hmm? There's a little toe. Every time he every time he goes for a munch on my finger, I just I don't know. I feel like if you yank on it, it's just gonna hurt you more. But if then they then they don't want to bite you again because you just kind of like finger fuck their throat. Hmm? Little fucker. Wanna bite me again? Nah, see, you learned his lesson. Yue, come here. Come here. Yue. Come on. Come on, Whitey. Ah, Beanie. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like spit. It's like goop in between my fingers. Yue. Come on. Come on, Yue. No, that was me. Come on, Yue. I'm gonna grab her just to show her. She might just dash, but. Oh, she does not look good in the light. Holy shit. Let me dim that. You wait, one second. You gotta be on camera just for 1 second while you don't look like shit. There you go. Okay, she's gone. Oh, well, the whole squad has more or less vacated. I know I promised 30 minutes of high quality time with my cats, but I think we're gonna have to deal with just 16 minutes. But that's okay. Hope you guys enjoyed. This has been episode 1 of hanging out with my cats. Things to look forward in episode 2. Maybe I'll get a haircut and shave my face. But let's be honest, I don't think anybody really cares about that. We're just here for the cats. Oh, we can actually see her in the backdrop here. Alright. This has been episode 1 of petting my cats for 16 minutes. Toodle peep.